going on today, fam? So yeah, I wasn't expecting to be snowing today, but it is. But I am here at Ralph's Car Vault, and we are picking up the Vet. Super stoked for this, but as you can see, he has a super cool storage area, all heated and cooled. A bunch of awesome cars up in here, but we are picking up the Vet. She's about to go to the shop. Actually, I'm about to drop her off at the body shop because she's about to get her hood vents installed to start with the spring prep to get ready for the ring. So I will show y'all my hood vents right quick. So these are the trackspec motorsports hood vents. So these will help to relieve heat and pressure underneath the hood. If any of y'all have driven a stock C5, then you'll know at like when you're going over about 100 on up, and then the stock hood, it starts to shake really, really badly. So we're gonna get these installed. Unfortunately, I don't think I'll be able to get a video of me demonstrating the stock hood shake, being because the weather's so bad out here today, but I'll definitely get an after video of the results after the install. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the road, bro. We're gonna go ahead and get all the paperwork and stuff done with Ralph. Ralph, say hello, he owns it. But yeah, so we're gonna get all that squared away and then we'll hop in and hit the road. All right, y'all, I hope you can hear me in here. I know my car's a little bit loud, but as you can see, the weather really didn't lighten up that much. I mean, it's not snowing per se, but it is raining and it's a bit chilly out. Jesus Christ. Yeah, but it is a bit chilly out, and I'm on 200 track wear tires, and if you know anything about track tires, cold weather and soft rubber just doesn't mix because they get super hard when it's cold. So I'm on the way to the body shop to have the hood vents installed. But yeah, man, this is where we at. Unfortunately, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get y'all that video. Actually, you can kind of see right here, I'm doing 100 right now, 105, doing 110. I guess y'all might have been able to see that. Shoot, man, I hope y'all were. That's probably about the best we're going to get to today, to be honest with you. But yeah, we'll pick it up at the shop. All right, y'all, I made it to the body shop. I dropped it off with my buddy Simon. He's gonna take care of me. He said it'll be done on Wednesday of next week. So I'll give an update when that's done, but till then, I'm out. What's going on, y'all? So the Vet is now ready for pickup. So we are, oh shoot, is the video on backwards? I think the video is upside down, whatever. I'll turn it upside down, back right way in post. So we're about to go pick up the Vet. But it's about an hour away. It's only been about 3 business days since I dropped it off, but the hood vent's already installed, so we're just waiting for a ride now, then we'll hit the road. And our Uber's here. Huh, I guess not your normal Uber, huh? C7 Corvette, big ass wing. Oh.
What's up, bro?
What's up, sir? Hey, oh, look who it is, it's CJ. Oh. Nah, yeah, I'm gonna put that in the trunk. I think it's a little bit too big. Yeah, the C7 is not as big as the C5. Dang, bro, you got enough stuff back here? Okay. But why you didn't text me you were outside?
They say 4 bike.
Huh?
They say 4 bike.
Yeah, definitely gotta get that tool sorted out. Shit scoots.
The traction's still good.
Yeah, it is. You know, especially for winter tires, like damn. Well, I hope y'all can hear me. Got CJ's loud ass car on, but got the hood vents installed. Super dope, man. Wow. Man, that looks dope.
Yo, my shit's leaking coolant.
It's leaking coolant? is it leaking coolant? What's up, Simon? How bad is it leaking?
Pretty bad.
Oh shit. So CJ threw a belt, so we gotta get that figured out. And we overheated the engine a little bit, so there was coolant like spewing out, overflowing. So
I mean, if that case, the coolant just overflows.
yeah, it just overflowed. So
You think I'm able to bring the belt back on and?
I think we should put the belt back on, you know, but let it cool down first and then check it. Well, we were able to get CJ's C7 back up and running. So his pulley tensioner bolt had backed itself out, came flying out, and we actually heard it on the highway. We were like, what was that, a rock or whatever? And then we pull out, pop the hood, obviously, and his belt lost tension. Then his belt came off, then the car started to overheat, but we got it back on now. And so we're gonna try to limp it back home. So we go get some gas, and yeah, that's it.